How to fix WhatsApp web not loading in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix WhatsApp web not working on your web browser on PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we'll take is we'll head over to the settings of our browser. So tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your browser and scroll down till you find settings. Head over to settings, and after you're on your settings you will see a lot of different options. Head over to privacy and security. After you're there you'll see third-party cookies. Head over to third-party cookies, and after you're here, what you'll need to do is here you can simply search for WhatsApp on the top. After you search for WhatsApp, you will be presented with a list of WhatsApp, and after you find that, you can simply delete all of those cookies. After you delete those cookies, you should be good to go. Now, if that does not fix your issue, you can head back here and you can go to your delete browsing data as well. And from here, simply delete your browsing data. And after you do that, your caches and all of your other data will get deleted, which will just reset your browser. After that, your problem should get fixed. If that does not fix your problem, what you can do is you can actually just head over to your browser settings again, and after you're here on your settings, scroll down till you find About Chrome. After you find About Chrome, tap on it and it should start scanning for any updates available for Google Chrome. And if there is an update, as you can see, it will start updating the Chrome. After the update completes, your problem should get solved. If that does not fix your problem as well, what you can do is you can actually just try to fix this issue with a VPN. So for that, you can head over to your Google Chrome store. So let's head over to our Chrome store. Let me just head over to my extension, manage extension, and go to web store, and there we go. So after you're on your web store, you can simply search for VPN and hit enter. So there are a lot of VPNs available, and you can simply use whichever VPN you feel is the best. I recommend NordVPN. After you simply search for your VPN and add it to your Chrome, try to use your Chrome, and with that your problem should get fixed. If again that does not fix your problem, the alternate solution would be using another web browser. So try to use another web browser and see if the problem persists. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.